Welcome back. At the lowest point of the day now is the Nifty. We'll get to that in just a bit. But Aster DM Healthcare has entered into a definitive agreement with Quality Care to merge its business. Now, our colleague Jude Sanith caught up with Anup Mupan, the director of Aster DM Healthcare, on the sidelines of the Invest Kerala Global Summit and asked him about the progress on the merger and the company's expansion plans. Listen in.
A definitive agreement has been signed and we are in the process of the integration. So probably this process is going to take maybe 8 months to a year time. Maybe in less than a year we'll be able to close the entire deal, and we are all excited because, as you rightly mentioned, it would take us to the top league, adding another 5,000 plus beds. So overall bed strength would be 10,000 plus. More exciting is the employment which we are creating, which is, as we stand, we have 20,000 plus in the India picture, and with this merger, we must be around 40,000, I believe. So,
all right.
Yeah.
No doubt. So great potential for expansion. What will it do to your business in India in terms of the top line itself? It is no doubt a big deal. How will it impact your top line growth as far as business in the country is concerned?
Definitely. I mean, see, when we are talking, when it's about bed strength, or it goes hand in hand. The top line is definitely going to. It comes with the top line increase. But again, we'll be looking at improving, sweating out our existing assets. Along with this, and there will be a lot of synergy also, which is coming into play, be it procurement or the talent pool. I mean, in such a big group, we can eliminate a lot of duplication of resources. So the HR cost front also we might be able to bring down. So as I mentioned about the procurement, there'll be huge savings. Our margin, EBITDA margins, everything, we are looking at an upside. So definitely we are all excited, and we are really looking forward.
You are, of course, on an expansion spree. Even moving your registered office into Telangana is what
That's the process which is going.
Yes, which is what we last read. But overall, is there an investment pipeline of sorts that you are looking at insofar as expanding in the country is concerned? I know that there's a merger that just happened, but where are you looking at specific areas of investment?
Merger is only part of the deal. I mean, as I mentioned about sweating existing assets, now in Kerala itself we have 3 projects going. One is Trivandrum project, which is a 450 plus bed hospital, which will be commissioned in almost a year's time. Kasaragod project is happening, which is another 250 plus beds. So we might be able to commission it in less than maybe 6 months. And Aster Medcity, we just recently, last week, we inaugurated the 100 plus beds, and another new block which we are planning, which will add further more beds. And we are also looking at new territories in Kerala, which is not finalized. So we are having that due diligence done and that study wherever possibilities is there, we'll be looking at that. And by far, we are the market leaders now in Kerala. And after the merger, and the KIMS Health is also going to be a part of the Aster QCIL group, so which further enhances our presence in Kerala. So, and of course, I mean, as of now, if you look at the overall picture itself, 55-60% of our revenue top line is from Kerala, which will further increase.
Any locations in the north that you've finalized on?
Nothing yet, but there is a lot of playground here itself. So, Tamil Nadu is some territory which we have not gone into. We are doing that study. So definitely north is in the mind, but since we are a prominent player in the south, in Karnataka also we are looking at more presence. We are looking at more units. So Tamil Nadu, as I mentioned. So there's a lot of playground. India is, if I can tell you that in Kerala itself there is a lot of potential. I mean, in fact, our growth story has brought in that attention of healthcare into the Kerala market. I mean, a lot of other players are too coming into Kerala market. Right. So there's a lot of playground for everyone here.
No
and
doubt.
yeah.
No doubt. Before I have to ask you, if you could just give me an outlook in terms of the overall healthcare market, and if you could hazard an estimate in terms of what these growth rates are looking likely to be, and where will your slice of the pie be there? I know for a fact that you've already said that you are looking to compete in the big league. How much of that growth? What is that growth, and how much of it would you like to take back for yourself in the medium term?
Yeah. See now, our population is our strength. So there is room for everyone. So how much ever the competition is, we believe that there is enough room for every player in here. So, I mean, we have been seeing that in the last 5 years, we have been growing at a growth rate of 20-25% in CAGR in revenue and 30% plus in EBITDA. So, and every market is becoming more and more competitive, but there is need. I mean, there is people are getting more and more access to healthcare, so that potential is there.
Well, an interesting conversation there with the management of Aster DM Healthcare. Let's now slip into a short break. We'll get you more on the markets on the other side.